Okay. So this game is called Follow the Dog? Walk with the Dog? Something like that. But it's a horror game. So let's try. Take care of your dog. Okay. Must find dog. I can't get in. What? Oh! Okay, I had to press the clicker. Hi, puppy. Follow the dog. Okay. I come, dog. Oh, do you need food? The food in the basement? Okay. Is that there? Oh. I found the dog food. Yay. Now to get out of here. I don't remember which way. Okay. Up this way. Yes. Found it. That was freaky. For no reason. Wow, I fed the dog. I followed the dog now. Where are you going, puppy? Play fetch with dog. Go get it. Go get it. Oh, wow. Go get it. Go get it. Wow. Balloon. Looks like a balloon. Go get it. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Oh. It just teleports back to me. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. How many times does this dog have to go get this ball? Wow. Get the water from the basement. Oh no, poor puppy. Poor puppy tired. Well. Why did it all of a sudden change? That's freaky. Is that a clock? Okay, I need to look for the water. Where is the water? Let's try not to get lost again. Okay, stop sign. I never saw water down here when I was down here before. Also, if something sneaks up behind me, sorry in advance if I scream. Wow, water. I got the water for the puppy. I need to go upstairs without getting terrified. Back around here. Up here. Cool. Ba-da-ba-doo. I have to go get the water to the dog. Wasn't the dog up this way? Oh. Yuck. It's like a man wearing a dog suit. Oh, okay. My dog was replaced with a skinwalker.
Maybe it is time to go to sleep.
He is not hungry anymore.
He is not hungry anymore.
Wait, what do you mean?
He is not hungry anymore.
Are you saying I should go to sleep? Or should
Maybe
I
it is time to go to sleep.
Oh.
Maybe it is time to go to sleep.
Okay, I'll go back in the house. I'm freaked. Yeah, go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Take care of the dog. The end? You missed a key? What key? That was bright. Let's try this again. Let's try this one more time. There's something I missed, apparently. Which I went all the way around the house for. But I didn't check all the rooms. You know what the song sounds like? It sounds like the Five Nights at Freddy's security breach in the beginning. One more time. Before you get tuckered out. I did hear a key when I got the water, so maybe that has something to do with it. What's the key for? I'm kind of freaked out at the moment. Okay. I'm gonna go at the door, and then I'm gonna go back inside. I mean, it probably comes slow at me, but... Yuck. My stomach hurts.
Maybe it is time to go to sleep.
I should lock the doors. Lock the door! Lock the door! Now what? If I go to bed? The brick. What is that? What is this? What is this? The knife downstairs may work. I have a heart. I don't know. Okay. Knife downstairs. Knife down. That's my actual dog, isn't it?
Hello.
Take care of the dog.
How are you?
How are you?
Upstairs.
Alright. Hello. Alright.
It is a skinwalker.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Hello.
Let's just.
Hi.
That is a skinwalker. That
Hello.
no. It killed my dog. Ugh. Coming, I'm coming. I don't need to tell me twice. I'm scared to talk too much. Not that I think it'll hear me, it's just... Poor puppy. My puppy didn't deserve that. I will avenge my puppy. Come at me. Where are you? Where are you? I kill you now. Did it kill me? Did I kill you? Who killed who? Also, ew. Ew. It's gross looking. It's gross looking with that saggy skin. What's happening? What is happening? I actually made my stomach hurt from like here. Ugh. Ugh. But my dog. Did I die? Did he die? Who died? Did I win? Take care of the dog at the end. Well, that'd be it. That was kind of scary. My stomach was hurting from fear. Anyways, bye-bye.